Hello, fellow marketers, entrepreneurs, small business owners, and self employed business owners, i.e., realtors, lawn care providers, dog groomers, mechanics, plumbers, etc. My name is Spencer Taylor Jr., U.S. Marine veteran, entrepreneur. Just doing a quick demo back in the back office here with our Royalty Notification Network, Royalty Ad Network, where we help you get more eyeballs on your business. As you can see on this page here, I have 3 ads running right now that are live, being projected on over 1 million different popular websites, social networks, and mobile apps worldwide. Here you get to create unlimited landing pages. So you can see here you have all your landing pages in one area that you can actually create. But the main feature in here is the analytics section. Very important that you understand where your clicks are coming from and things of that nature. So as you can see, I have my landing pages up here, and it's showing my data here. If I scroll down here, you get your Google Analytics. Here, it actually shows you exactly right now. I don't have the minimum data required for age and gender, but as you get here, you'll be able to know the age of the person that's clicking on your advertisement and the gender of your advertisement. And here you can see it gives you a detailed breakdown of the desktop, mobile, and tablets of where your clicks are coming from, and also where your ads, where your percentage of clicks are coming from here. So I didn't want to make this a long, detailed video, but just to let you know that here at Royalty, we get you started with 5,000 eyeballs every month on your business, $77 down, $47 a month for those who are marketers looking to get more eyeballs on your business. Once again, this is Spencer Taylor Jr., U.S. Marine veteran, entrepreneur. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at area code 910-516-1319. Once again, that's 910-516-1319. Have questions? I would love to get those questions answered. Thank you and have a great day.